Hello students, welcome back. I am Ringesa, a mathematics teacher at Lux School of Science. Today we will start with exercise 1.6 of first chapter, that is sets. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. So in question number 1, you can see here that n of x, it is 17, n of y, it's 23, n of x union y, that is equal to 38, and you have to find out n of x intersection y. Okay, so we will use the formula n of x union y. This is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So what is n of x and y? It's 38. N of x 17. N of y 23 minus n of x intersection y. So n of x intersection y, this will be equal to 17 plus 23 minus 38. So 17 plus 23, that will be equal to 40 minus 38, 2. So n of x intersection y is equal to 2. Okay. So note down question number 1. Now let's move to question number 2. Okay. Now you can see here that in question number 2 it is given that x union y have 18 elements. So n of x union y equal to 18. X has 8 elements. So n of x equal to 8. Y has 15 elements. N of y equal to 15, and you have to find out how many elements does x intersection y have. So this is the similar question, right? It's exactly similar to the first one. We will use the same formula: x union y, n of x, n of y minus n of x intersection y. 18 n of x equal to 8 plus 15 minus n of x intersection y. So n of x intersection y, 8 plus 15, that is 23 minus 18. So your answer will be equal to 5. So x intersection y has 5 elements. Okay, so note down question number 2. Now let's move to question number 3. Now, question number 3, you can see here that in a group of 400 people, there were 400 people, 200 speak Hindi, 200 speak English, and you have to find it out how many speak. So let's take H for Hindi and E for English. Now, how many speak Hindi? 250. Sorry, it's not 200, it's 250. How many speaks English? That is 200. And how many total? Total means H union E. Okay? And that is equal to 400. Now you have to find out how many people speak both the languages. That means speak Hindi and English or intersection. Okay? So we'll use the same formula N of H union E, N of H plus N of E minus N of H union E. Sorry, intersection. So H union E, 400, N of H, 250 plus 200 minus N of H intersection E. So N of H intersection E, 250 plus 200, 450 minus 400. So this will be equal to 50. So 50 people speak both Hindi and English. Clear? So note down question number 3. Now let's move to question number 4. Now you can see here in question number 4 that S has 21 elements. That means 21. T has 32 elements. S intersection T has 11 elements. Clear? So now you have to find out how many elements do S union T have. So formula for union n of S plus n of T minus n of S intersection T. So n of S 21, n of D 32, S union S intersection D 11. So 21 plus 32, that is equal to 43, minus 11, that, sorry, 21 plus 32, that will be equal to 53, minus 11, so that will be equal to 42. So S union D have 42 elements. Clear? You can also solve it using Venn diagram in this way. S T. Now this is the common section. How many elements S intersection D? 11. How many elements S is having? 21. So see, this is set S. It already included 11 and total 21. So 11 plus 10, 21 in S. T 32. So this is set T. It already had 11 and total 32. That means it will be equal to 22. Clear? So total 10 plus 11, that is 21, plus 22, that is 40. Sorry, that is some mistake. Yes, it will be 21 because T has 20, 32, not 33. So 11 plus 21. So total 10 plus 11 plus 21, that is equal to 42. Clear? So you can use any of the method. Note down question number 4. Let's move to the next one, that is question number 5. Now you can see in question number 5 that X and Y are two sets such that number of elements in X is 40. Okay, X union Y has 60 elements. Remember, whenever I'm writing n, that means number of elements in this set. So X union Y, 60, X intersection Y, 10 element, and you have to find out number of elements in Y. So we'll use the same formula that we are using in the last four question. N of X union Y, N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. So this is equal to 60, N of X 40, N of Y, and N of X intersection Y, that is 10. So N of Y 60, when 40 goes on this side, minus 40, when 10 goes on this side, plus 10. So this will be equal to 60 minus 40, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Clear? Now if you want to solve this using Venn diagram, X, Y. Okay, first remember we have to solve the first common one. So what is X intersection Y? 10. What is X? 40. We are already having 10, so 10 plus 30, 40. Clear? Now Y is remaining total 60. So 30 plus 10 plus X equal to 60. 30 plus 10, 40 plus 20, that will be equal to 60. So Y have 20 plus 10, 30 here. Clear? Okay, so you can solve it by any one of the method. So note down question number 5. Now let's move to question number 6. Now you can see here in question number 6 that there are total 70 people. Total 70 people. Out of them, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each one of them like at least one from the both. Means there is not a single person who dislike both, either coffee or tea or both. So I take C for coffee, T for tea. So how many people like C? N of C 37. How many people like T? N of T 52. And total, that is C union T, because there is not a single who don't like anyone. So that is equal to 70. So we want how many people like both tea and coffee. So intersection. So again the same formula, N of C union T, N of C, N of T minus N of C intersection T. So C union D 70, coffee 37, tea 52 minus, when it comes on this side, it will be plus 37 plus 52, that will be equal to 89 minus 70. So this will be equal to 9. So 9 people like both. Clear? So this was about question number 6. So note down question number 6. Now let's move to question number 7. Okay, so question 7. So in question 7, you can see that in a group of 65 people, okay, 40 people like cricket. So we take C for cricket and T for tennis. Okay, so 40 people like cricket and 10 people like both, that is cricket and tennis. So C intersection D, that is equal to 10. Now there are two questions. First, you have to find out how many people like only tennis and not cricket. And second, how many people like tennis. See, there is a difference between these two questions. The first question is only tennis. Means there are some people who like tennis and cricket both, but we don't have to include that. And in second question, you can see tennis. So in that, you have to find out both only tennis plus cricket. Clear? So let's solve it using Venn diagram. Cricket, tennis. C, T. Now remember, when we are filling Venn diagram, first we need to fill the common elements. So here this is C and D common element. So what is C intersection D? 10. Now how many people like cricket? Right, cricket 40. So 10 are already there plus 40, sorry, plus 30. So 30 plus 10, 14 cricket. Now it's given that the total number of people are 65. So 65 are there. From that 30 plus 10, 40. Okay, so remaining are 25. See, 30 plus 10 plus 25. These will be equal to 65. So total number of people. So now first question, only tennis and not cricket. Number of people who like only tennis and not cricket means this is total tennis, but we want only tennis, so this one. Okay, so how many are 25? Only tennis. And here for tennis, for that we have to include complete. So 25 plus 10, 35. Clear? So there are 20 people who like only tennis and not cricket. And there are 35 people who like tennis. Okay? So note down question number 7. Sorry, there is a mistake. It's 25, not 20. And 25 plus 10, that is 35 who like both. Okay? So just note down this mistake. Now let's move to question number 8. That is the last question of this exercise. Now in question number 8, you can see that in a committee, 50 people speak French. So for I will use F for French. So the languages are French and Spanish. So how many people speak French? 50. And 20 people speak Spanish. Okay. 10 speak both F intersection S, that means. And you have to find out how many people speak at least one. Now see, at least one means It can be either French or Spanish or both. At least one means one or more than one. So definitely it will be F union F. So you have to find out F union F. So simple. F union S, n of F plus n of S minus n of F intersection S. So n of F 50 plus 20 and n of S minus 10. So this will be equal to 60. So 60 people speak at least one of the two languages. Okay? If you want to solve it using Venn diagram, F for French, Spanish. So when you try to build the Venn diagram, first the common thing, F intersection S, 10. Now how many friends? 50. Out of them, 10 are there. So 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Spanish, 20. Out of them, 10 are given. So 10 plus 10, 20. So just 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 people. Clear? So note down question number 8. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Here we have completed exercise 1.6. Thank you.